Get started. Read together. Kate is baking a lime cake for Mike, but something goes wrong. Mike. Partner talk. What might happen to the cake? Long A and long I. A. I. Words to know. Out. Same. Take. Bake Shop by Paul Andino. Illustrated by Merrill Rainey. Kate fills a wide pan with cake mix. She slides it in to bake. Mike, it will take time to bake, said Kate. Mike gets games to fill the time. At last, Kate slides out the lime cake, but it is in a bad state. Mike gave it to the hens. Peck, peck, peck. 6 white hens ate it up. Hop on your bike, Mike, said Kate. We can ride to the bake shop. At the bake shop, Kate picks lime cake. Same for me, yells Mike. At last, they ate lime cake. Word work. Blend and read. Read these words. What is the same? A, E. Bake, state, gave, cake. I-E. Lime, white, bike, ride. Word hunt. Find these words in the story. Will, said, your.